Hello friends, it's Marvin Salcedo here with Salcedo Lawn, and I wanted to take a moment and talk with you about the importance of sharpening your mower blades. As a company, we sharpen our mower blades quite often because we want to make sure that when we come out and we mow your yard that we give it a nice clean cut. When you don't sharpen your mower blades often enough, your blades will get rounded over and it won't actually cut the yard or cut the grass, it'll actually tear the grass. And even after a fresh cut, you'll see that your grass kind of has a little bit of a dull appearance because it's not a nice clean cut. So make sure that you're sharpening your mower blades, and it's not as hard as most people think it is. You can put it in a vise to hold it still, and then just take an angle grinder and try and keep that same angle that they have that it came from the factory, and just give it a nice a little bit of sharpening. So that you have a nice sharp mower blade. And it doesn't have to be so sharp that like you can cut hair with it, but just that it has a nice edge on it so that when you go to mow, it actually cuts your grass and doesn't tear it. And as a homeowner, you're probably only going to have to sharpen your blades a few times a year because y'all aren't cutting near as many yards as we are. So I'd sharpen it now, maybe sharpen it again here in a couple of months. But hey, sharpen your grass. It'll help you out a lot. You'll be much happier with the results when you get finished. Thank y'all so much. Y'all have a wonderful day.